YouTube? Welcome back to my video. It's your girl Nelly, and today we are going to be waxing my underarms. I know you guys said that you guys still want to see waxing videos, so here are my hairy underarms. I've been so busy, so lazy, been going through it that I have not had the time to actually wax my underarms. So I don't know how many months of growth this is, but it's been a while, but we're gonna go ahead and take care of it today. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean that underarm. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Y'all might as well just comment down below to to say how many months of growth that hair is. How many months do y'all think that is? Let me know in the comments. I'm not gonna lie, y'all know when y'all start doing your underarm, putting wax on it, y'all know y'all start to sweat a little bit, and because you just have this feeling that you know that it's gonna hurt. But like I said, I haven't did my underarms in a while, so I was like, oh my god, like I can't believe I'm about to do this after a while, and I know better. I'm not gonna lie, this audio sounds like trash, like I'm far away. I don't know what happened or what's going on. Never mind, I just figured it out. Okay, so y'all know when you are doing like your own underarms, it is so hard to hold the skin. Like, cause it's like you have to hold the skin in order to make it like a successful pull off. You get what I'm saying? Like it's so hard to like just hold your skin when you're doing like the underarm. But I want to let you guys know that underarm wax is not a bad wax. The whole time I wasn't, like it didn't hurt that bad. I've been so used to it and things like that. But underarm wax really is like the most easiest wax that you can get. Some people are more sensitive than others, but I mean, underarm wax is like everybody's first wax. Like it doesn't hurt as bad. But yeah. And then as you guys see, I am doing like kind of like small strips because I am scared that if I just do the whole underarm, I won't be able to pull it off. And y'all know, like, don't nobody live around here where they could just pull it off. Like, and who's gonna have time? Like, I could call my friend right now and she's gonna be like, I'm not doing that. Like, I'm not finna come to your house and pull that off. Also, another thing is that like underarm hair, it does not grow as fast. I know that like when I used to work like at a waxing place, they'll have the instructions where like, we're supposed to tell the customers to like come in every 2 weeks to get your underarms waxed. Honestly, like every 2 weeks, my underarm hair does not grow like that. I've seen like plenty of people's underarm, and most of the time they don't get it in 2 weeks. Most of the time they just get it within a month. Um, because a lot of times like they'll combine it with like the Brazilian, but nobody comes in every 2 weeks. I don't think I've ever had anybody who was coming in every 2 weeks to get an underarm. Look at that beautiful underarm. I felt so relieved just off of having just like a clean underarm, no hair or nothing like that. So So when I did my right underarm, it actually hurt more than the left because when you're trying to hold the skin, you can't really hold the skin with your left arm if you're doing your right underarm. So like it's kind of impossible to hold it correctly. So as you guys see, like I'm trying to hold the skin, but it doesn't really work. So, when you don't hold that skin, it's gonna hurt more. And you guys know the drill. If you got in an underarm and your waxer wasn't holding the skin, you guys know that it hurt. This is exactly why you shouldn't let your hair grow out, because once it grows out, it's gonna start like the first time all over again. Well, you know what? At least not for the underarms. But I was having, because when you're doing it yourself, you know that you're doing yourself and you know that it's going to hurt more. But I definitely don't recommend like growing your hair out and then going back to your waxer because it's a mess. As you guys see, I made it all to the end. Arms is clean and ready. My arms was so tired. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. And enjoy you guys' day. Bye.